Hi, Matt. Sustainable pipeline question. My company limits me to 500 leads at a time.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I only have 90 days to refresh each contact.
Okay.
If I don't exit people from my pipeline, I don't get new leads. What advice do you have?
You're going to have to figure it out to maximize the benefit. And so instead of going sustainable and leaving them forever, I would figure out what we're going to do is we're going to optimize this, right? We're going to figure out what's the most amount of time that I can keep somebody actively in my pipeline without missing out on the pipeline. Now, on new leads. Now, there's probably a math genius on here that can figure out this formula. I'm not one, but I'm going to give, I believe I could figure this out in 10 minutes if you gave me some time, but we don't have 10 minutes. The formula is going to be, how many calls can I make in a day? How many touches am I going to have in the pipeline? And you're going to and then knowing X, you're going to solve for X. Knowing that you can only have 500 people, how long does each person and how many touch points in between those things does somebody have to maximize the 500? Now, the other thing that you got to think about too is it a guarantee that you're going to get refreshed a new lead when you eject one? I don't know if it is. Okay, it is a guarantee. So now we're even going to back that out even more and be like, what is the maximum usable? My guess is it's probably going to be something like this. I'm going to call that lead once, and then I'm going to call them again a second day, and then I'm going to call them in a week, and then I'm going to call them 2 weeks from then, and 2 weeks from then, and then I'm going to call them 60 days later, and then out. Like something to where you're just churning and burning. Because if they're going to feed you the leads, but they won't let you hold them, churn and burn. But what we don't want to do, there's a law of diminishing returns there where I don't want to be like, I'm only going to call everybody once because they'll refresh me leads. Because we're going to miss out on a bunch of stuff. So my guess is it's probably 3 to 5 touch points and they're freaking gone if they're going to refill you with leads. My guess is 3 to 5 touch points over a 60-day period and then they're gone. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.